Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you find this type of content interesting, do consider subscribing and turning on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today's plug is for interns. It's a marketing intern position and it is available in Africa and it is 100% remote, not technical, it's marketing and sales. Without wasting any of your time, let's get into it. The name of the platform is Web Africa. I have spoken about it before, so I'm not going to do much on the platform. So I'm going to go straight to the position to check the requirements and also what you'll be doing on a daily basis. Okay, this is the position and it is a marketing intern position and you can make up to 3,000 US dollars per month. It is not a technical position, it is sales and marketing. So let's check the responsibilities. So it says you'll be working directly with marketing managers and event team to coordinate all marketing activities. You will be playing an active role in the creation of campaign material and measuring their effectiveness. So you will organize and attend trade shows, customers and merchant sites visit as required. So you also have to identify prospective customers through research and market intelligence. You'll maintain regular contact with customers and prospective customers. You will also be setting up customer meetings, preparing and delivering sales presentation in relation to customer requirements. And then lastly, you'll be actively seeking new sales opportunities through face-to-face customer interactions, event-based. And then with regards to qualification, they are looking for an excellent communication skill, strong interpersonal skill and ability to collaborate with others, creative approach and ability to bring new ideas, strong initiative and organizational skills with the ability to prioritize. So they actually need someone who's good skills. They did not mention anything about a diploma or a degree, and also metric. They did not mention that. And also the number of experience, they did not mention that. So I guess this is basically an entry-level position because it's actually an internship position. So you guys can go ahead and apply for this position because it doesn't require a lot of requirements and also qualifications 0. Okay, let's go to the benefits. They say there is a great pay, great team, and a lot of fun. So go ahead, guys, and apply. If this one doesn't work for you, do share it with the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.